Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. So today we are going to learn about one more topic on JSP, that is implicit object. So before jumping into the coding section, let me discuss about like what do you mean by implicit object, right? So let me create actually one class called suppose to show in demonstration purpose I am creating one test class. Okay. So in the previous in our servlet tutorial, what we are writing? We are writing print writer, right? Print writer, then something writer we are writing, right? Writer equals to once dot get writer. Okay, response dot get writer method we are calling, right? So what we are doing in this in our servlet class, what we are doing, we are writing the print writer is equals to new response dot get writer. So this is the print writer object we are creating, right? This is writer is nothing but what writer is nothing but our variable name. The object we are creating for the print writer, on that the writer is a variable name. For example, if I write employee emp is equals to new employee. Okay, new employee, then what do you mean by that? Employee. So employee is the class emp is the reference variable, right? This is the variable name. Okay, so these variable names in JSP is nothing but called as implicit objects. Okay, I will show you. There are 8 to 9 implicit objects are there. Directly as usual, I'll show you on the documentation, right? So let me search Jakarta JSP docs. Okay, so if I go to this one and if I search for implicit objects, then if I click implicit objects, then as you can see implicit objects, so this is the what it is written variable name, a request, and this request from Jakarta servlet request. This is nothing but from the servlet. Okay, a response also from servlet. Page context also servlet.jsp dot page context. This is nothing but this is the variable name. All these see count request response page context 4 response 4. So this is 4. Then application out config page. This is another 4 8, and one more is exception. Total 9 implicit objects are there. Okay, total 9 implicit objects are there, by using which, so in servlet what we are doing, we are creating the reference variable, like the variable name. On the variable name we are calling the method name or something what we want to perform. So here in case of JSP we no need to create the object, means the variable name. So it is there, it is created by the JSP itself. Okay, implicitly that is there. Okay, we no need to create explicitly. Okay, so what we can do, we can directly, if something we need, we are doing what we are writing in the servlet, we are writing request dot get parameter name something, whatever we are sending, that parameter name we are getting. So instead of creating the request object like request variable, what we can do, we can directly call on the request dot get parameter or response dot send redirect, something like that. Okay, session. So similarly out we are writing print writer dot println, something we are writing. So here what we can do, by using this out session all these things we can develop our program. Okay, so as said before, what we can do, there is no need to write several Java classes, right here we are going to directly deal with the index.jsp page. Okay, so what I can do, I can write implicit objects. Okay, implicit object, for this is for implicit object, so that is why I'm writing this one. Okay, so what I can do, let me write, uh, let me call this one main. So for example, I just wanted to print the date. Okay, print the date. So what I can do, I can write date. Date is equals to like java dot util dot on the date, we can get that calendar dot get instant dot get time. So this is the date. Okay, if I want to something like uh, time zone, this is the time zone. So what I can do, instead of get time I can call get time zone. So I will get the time zone. If I run this, so what I'm going to get? I'm going to get the current time with the time zone which I am currently working now. Okay, so that information I'm going to get. As you can see, this is Monday 18th. Okay, this is the date I am getting, and this is the time zone is nothing but Asia, Calcutta. Okay, so this is the time zone and this is the information I'm getting. Okay, so what is the intention here to show this to run this? What I said before, what we can do instead of writing whatever the Java code we are writing as part of servlet, or this is a simple class, right? We are writing this one. The Java code, whatever the Java code we are writing here in the class, what we can do, the same code we can write inside the JSP page. This is a index.jsp. This is the JSP page. So before writing that, we need to write some special tags that is provided by the JSP. I will discuss about this all these tags. Okay, what is the importance, what is the use of these tags, and other tags also there. But for the time being, I am using this angular bracket like modulo symbol, and this is modulus and closed. Okay, so this is the tags I am using. So these tags, no need to worry. I will explain each and every tags in detail with example. Okay, no need to worry. For the time being, just remember whatever the Java code we want to write, that we are going to write inside this tag only. Okay, so I am going to paste this. Okay, let me delete this print. Okay, so after this one, what I am going to do, I am going to br, then another br. Okay, so this is the one and this is the one. Okay, I'm going to write. Okay, this is the two things I have written. Okay, so once I wrote that, so let me run this index page, index.jsp page. Okay, run tomcat jsp underscore basic. Okay, this I want to run. Okay, what I can do, I can choose JSP basics. So this is the one, apply run. Okay, so the server is started. Okay, the server is started. Let me try to give the request out of this basics. Okay, so implicit objects as it is, like date is this one and time zone is this one, it is printing. Okay, I have not used anything else like Java class or something. So what is my intention here is how we can use the um, implicit object out. This is out is the first implicit object. Okay, okay, so I hope for this out implicit object, how we can use out, that is clear to you people. Okay, so in the next class, what I'm going to explain you, I'm going to explain another implicit object. Okay, so just I want to discuss one more thing. So I have written the Java code inside here. So let me tell you, I just wanted to write out dot print out dot print, then inside that what I want to print is hi, only hi. I'm just printing hi. Okay, see, I have not starting the server. Okay, if I go to the browser, if I try to reload, so you can see hi is also printing here. Okay, I have not started the server. So here I can say in case of serverlet, what we are doing, we are every time whatever the changes we are doing, we have to again restart the server, again we have to give the request from the freshly, right? But here what we are going to do, it is not necessary to restart the server, only we have to refresh the page. Okay, I'm refreshing the page, I'm getting this output, and this is the code. Every time whatever any code, if we do changes, then what, nothing we have to do, only we have to refresh the page. Okay, we will get this result. Okay, if another things also we want to show. Okay, if I go to the page view, view page source, what it is, HTML body HTML, what it is doing, we have the this is the, it is coming from the this 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 response is coming from the JSP page, but what we got, this is nothing but HTML. Okay, so the JSP translator, there is a JSP translator is translating JSP into the servlet. Okay, then it then how servlet works, it will work in the same way. Okay, so today let me recap. Today what we have done, what we have studied, how many implicit objects are there in JSP, and what is the how we can make use of out the implicit object out. Okay, thank you.